Hey everyone, AMarket traders and AMarket partners, welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about latest financial development that drives the global financial market. We are starting with the macro market update. The US dollar remains supported as traders continue to expect higher interest rate. According to CME FedWatch tool, markets are pricing nearly 60% of chance of Federal Reserve rate hike in the month of September. The week's main focus is the US labor market data, especially Thursday's NFP data. Economists expect the US economy to add 114,000 jobs in the month of June, while the unemployment rate is expected to remain steady at 4.3%. Stronger than expected data could further support the US dollar and increase expectation of Federal Reserve rate hike. Meanwhile, gold remains under pressure as expectation of higher interest rate reducing the demand of non-yielding precious metal. In the oil market, oil prices fallen below $70 after the US and Middle East peace talk and resumption of peace talk easing concerns about global oil supply disruptions. Overall, traders will closely watch this week US job data and developments in the Middle East as both are expected to drive market sentiment. That's all about the macro market update. We are starting with the technical analysis part. If we see that dollar index trading nearby 101.300. Right now, price is in a corrective phase. If you look at the price on a H4 time frame, the price is having a corrective phase in the format of A. This right now, currently it's B wave is going on, and we can expect further downward continuation up to 100.800 to 100.500 in upcoming session. If you look at the price, this is the previous fractal until and unless price is not crossing above this level, which is 101.700. We can expect further downward continuation up to 101, 100.800 and 100.500 in upcoming session. If you look at the price behavior on H4 time frame, on H1 time frame right now, if you look at the structure, there is a clear formation of lower highs and lower low going on, indicating that short-term trend is right now in the phase of corrective phase. So we can expect further downward continuation. If price is breaking down below 101, we can expect further downward continuation. If you look at the RSI on H1 time frame, it's trading below 50 line, indicating that short-term momentum is currently supporting this downward trend. So at this point of time, short-term trend is clearly into the corrective phase, but long-term and medium-term, both trend is indicating upward trend to continue, right? Still, if you look at the weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame, price has given a close above this weekly important resistance. Also, it has given close above this multi-month resistance. It means that we can expect further upward continuation in upcoming session up to 50 Fibonacci level, and if price is sustaining above this also, we can expect 61.8 Fibonacci level. If you look at the monthly RSI is trading and sustaining above 50 line, while weekly RSI is trading above 60 line, indicating that medium to long term trend momentum is clearly supporting this upward trend, right? If you look at the Euro USD chart, Euro USD is currently in a counter trend phase. We can say that corrective phase. If you look at the price behavior on H4 time frame right now, a corrective wave is going on, the A and then B, and right now C is about to start. We can expect C wave to resume give us a bounce up to 1450 or 1400 or 1500 level in upcoming session. If you look at the price behavior on H1 time frame, there is a clean format of higher highs and higher lows going on, while previous swing high low is intact. We can expect further upward continuation as and when price is breaking above 1430 level. We can expect 1450 and 1500 level, which are this fractals, right? If you look at this fractals, this is an important support area, resistance area. Just 1 minute. So this is a very important resistance point. If you look at this price point, which is 1460 to 1480, if price is breaking above this level also, we can expect further upward continuation to 1500, which is this previous important support area, right? So at this point of time, short-term trend is definitely indicating for resumption of this bounce, while long-term, medium-term, both trend is indicating downward trend continue. If you look at the weekly time frame, price has given a close below this weekly important support, also monthly multi-month support. So we can expect further downward continuation in upcoming session up to 1300 and even 1250 in upcoming session. If you look at a monthly RSI is trading nearby 50 line, while weekly RSI is trading below 40 line, indicating that medium to long-term momentum is clearly supporting this downward trend, right? So if you look at the WTI price, WTI chart, It's trading below 78.6 Fibonacci level, and also it has given close below this level. Now we can expect further downward continuation up to 100 Fibonacci level, which is 63 level. Now if you look at the price behavior on S4 time frame, price is having a clear lower highs and lower low formation is going on, indicating that downward trend is strongly intact at this point of time. In case if price is breaking above this level, which is 72.80, we can expect corrective bounce up to 75 and 78 in upcoming session. That would be definitely a low risk high reward selling opportunity. In case if price is also breaking above the 78 to 78.5 level, then we can expect further upward continuation to 81 to 82 level in upcoming session. At this point of time, short term, medium term and long term, all three trends are indicating downward trend to continue. If you look at the monthly, weekly RSI monthly is trading below 50, while weekly RSI is trading nearby 40, indicating that medium to long term momentum is definitely indicating it's supporting this downward trend, right? And if you look at the gold chart, gold is trading nearby 4,000 level, and it's trading below important level, which is 4,200. In case if price is breaking down below 4,000 level and giving close below this level on S4 time frame, we can expect further downward continuation up to 3,800 to 3,600, even 3,400 level is possible. So if you look at the price weekly time frame, it's trading below, RSI is trading below 40, while monthly it's trading below 60, indicating that definitely we can expect further continuation in upcoming session. If you look at the monthly 21 period monthly RSI, it's trading nearby 3,700 level. Definitely we can expect 3,700, and if that is also taken out, we can expect this consolidation point, which is 3,400 level. So in upcoming session, we can expect 3,800, 3,600 and 3,400, which is having a very high probability. At this point of time, short term, medium term and long term, all three trends are indicating downward trend to continue. In case if price is giving us a bounce up to 4,100 to 4,050, definitely that would be a strong low risk high reward selling opportunity for bears, right? So at this point of time, this is definitely in a sell on rise market. Now if you look at the Bitcoin chart, we already updated and also discussed in our previous session that this chart is having a clean theoretical structure. There is a breakdown of inverted flag and pole, bearish flag and pole, retest of the same, also retest of 21 period average. Right now it's trading and consolidating nearby important support, and this is a very strong format. This is kind of in an inverted cup and bearish cup and handle formation. As and when prices breaking down below 58,000 level, definitely we can expect downward continuation up to 55,000, 52,000, even 50,000 in upcoming session. If you look at the monthly RSI, it's trading below 50 line and moving nearby 40 line, indicating. Also, if we look at the weekly RSI, it's trading below 40 line. Daily RSI, it's also trading below 40 line, indicating that definitely momentum is strongly supporting this downward trend. If you look at the monthly scale, the important support is nearby this level, which is this important swing, which is 49,000 to 50,000. If you look at this fractal, from this point, fresh rally has been started previously. So we can expect this level in upcoming session, 49,000 to 50,000 level. If you are a bull, definitely you can expect you can expect buying from this point. If we plot a Fibonacci from this low to high, so that would be some sort of 61.8 to 70, between 78.6 Fibonacci level. So that would be definitely we can consider as a low risk high reward buying point. In case of prices closing below this level also, then that would be a definitely painful scenario, and then we can expect 38,000 to 40,000 level. That would be a 78.6 Fibonacci level. So at this point of time, short term, long term and medium term, all three trends are indicating downward trend to continue. I hope you enjoy this video for this kind of update. Stay updated with AMarkets. Thank you. Bye bye.